In this tutorial, I'll show you how to batch transcribe audio or video files for free using Vibe. Welcome to this video. My name is David and I hope you're well wherever you are around the world. Now, as I've mentioned before, Vibe is available for macOS, Windows, and Linux. And I do have a video on how to download it and more or less the reasons why I would choose downloading from GitHub from this particular website. So to begin, you need to have the files you want to automatically transcribe, that is for the batch transcription, in a folder. For example, I have mine on the desktop in a folder called Vibe. So that is out of the way. Let's open up Vibe. Let's just bring everything down here, and it's super simple. Just select the folder option, and then from here you've got the language. If your audio or video is in a particular language, then you can choose that language or auto detect if the languages are different. And next up, you need to go to the advanced, and for this one, this is where you kinda choose the transcription folder if you've not selected it before. So for mine, I'll click on select folder, and it's that particular folder that I've actually walked you through, the Vibe folder on my desktop. Next up, it's time to select the files. I'll just click on select file, and from here I'll just left click and hold to select multiple files that I want to automatically transcribe. Now once that is done, I'll click on open, and once I do that, you're going to get a new tab somewhere here, more or less new tabs. Either normal is the text file, and then the SRT file, and then we've got the doc, a VTT, or a JSON. So if you want all these versions created, you can check them all, but let's assume we only want a text file and an SRT file. So that is what we're going to go with. Anything more, you cannot now see the more options folders. They are no longer available once you do that. So make sure that you make those particular selections initially. Now if I click on this particular drop down, you can see your files right here, and this particular button is going to begin automatically transcribing our audio or video files in batch. So I'll just click on this button right here, and you'll see the option transcribing 1 of 2. Now I can just move it to the side a little bit and then open up our folder right here on the side, because by choosing those folders, what we made selections of is that once it's done, it puts the files right here, and that is the ease and good thing with this particular option. And as you can see, we have the SRT subtitle file and the text document next to it, and then we wait for the other one to be done as well. And this is based on our selections. The normal one is text, the other one is SRT subtitles. So there we go, it's also done with the other one, and you can see them, all of them, side by side. Super simple, super awesome, using the batch transcription feature. But remember, if you can actually, you need to make those particular, let's actually just select one, and once I do that, if you select one, now the folder comes back in. So the transcribe folder option is really important, and you can see all the different options, and placing the transcript next to the files is really awesome. Now go try it out, see if it works out for you. But that is how to use the batch transcription feature to automatically transcribe your audio and video files for free in Vibe. That's it for this video. Until next time, stay safe and never stop learning. Thanks for watching.